It's time to stay. Focused. Why are you so anti-all? Because I'm trying to get it. Why are you staying on the basketball court so much? Because I'm trying to get it. Why are you out there practicing in the hot sun when ain't nobody else out there? Because I'm trying to get it. Pain is temporary. I've been trying to get that into your spirit. Been trying to get you to celebrate pain. That pain is your friend. That pain is going to take you to the next level. Remember, just because something's never been done before doesn't mean it can't be done. It just means we haven't figured out a pathway on how to get it done, and we will get it done. This is it right here. This is that moment that you got to work. This is that moment when you got to push. There is no weakness in the place of business. Think about your end goals. Think about what it's going to look like. Picture it in your mind. See yourself already there. Stop praying that the storm will pass over you and pray to grow through the storm. What you go through, you will grow through. You simply have to give it everything. You have to get it. You need to shut down all negativity and frankly not give to what others say and think. You going to do what you've been called to do. You going to be what you called to be. You going to have, and you going to prove that everybody that tried to break you, you going to prove them wrong. Everybody try to stop you. Everybody that tried to kill your dream, you going to prove all of them wrong. You don't care what the adversity has been. You have two choices. You can be unforgiving, bitter, angry, upset and be a carrier of grief, or you can choose. OTI got a question. What will you do when no one is watching? What will you do when no one is listening? That's the only time that we'll be able to bring something to this world that had never seen before. One of the greatest challenges with disappearing is understanding the revelation of building in the dark. The secret of change is to focus all of our energy not on fighting the old but building the new, and specifically being close the doors when nobody is looking, when no one is there to affirm you, when nobody is there to validate you, when nobody is there to agree with you. You build in the dark and you announce it when it's finished. I want to test my resolve. I want to test my go-to limit. I want to see where hero ends and mine begins. This ain't no game. This is my lifestyle. So shut up. You talking tirely too much about your dream. You talk too much about your goal. Say it once, say it twice, no more than 3 times, and get to work. You already know what it feels like to quit, to throw in the towel, to sit on the couch. Do you know what it's like to give everything that you have and push and persevere? You got to make the opportunity happen. You got to be fired up. You got to be hungry for it. You got to have the desire to push yourself. Are you hearing me? Work. Work, work, work. Grind. Grind, grind, grind. I'm going grind. I'm going to fight. I'm going to work. I'm going to press toward. I'm going to learn. I'm going to do everything in my power. Every single day I'm going to do everything in my power to become a victor and not a victim. Let me tell you this: the wolf that is on the hill is never as hungry as the wolf that is climbing the hill, and so you got to get hungry and you have to stay hungry. You have to guard your hunger. I need you to develop a healthy dose of self-assurance when you feel like you can't, when you want to let go, when you are surrounded by doubt, fear and anxiety. You are going to have to pull up your resume and remember all of the things that you have made it through. There is no excuse for not living up to your full of potential. No excuse. What do you want? Somebody told you to just graduate high school, graduate college, get a job, work that job the rest of your life, have kids, get married, and die. Somebody told you that. What do you believe you were destined to do? And then you got to spend every single solitary day for the rest of your life going after that dream. What do you have to Have what is your dream and when you sing there's nothing left in the tank, look yourself in the music. Eyes and say can he willy. Must I mon government's assistance and he run out of money and he had to buy Pampers for Gilani and he had a $142 in the bank and he remember wrapping my son in a towel for 2 days. He remember the second day like USAID he had my hand on Galani's stomach and he said don't worry baby mommy will never be this broken again and that day what chief Ted for music. Me was he was willing and he don't know if this is going to sound crazy. He was willing to completely do any form of me that he had been so that he can birth the woman that he was becoming. The reason why a lot of people won't become who they want is because they're too attached to who they've been, and you hear it all the time when people say I've always been this way. Okay, well, if that's working for you, keep doing that. He knew it wasn't working for me any longer. He had it my version of rock bottom, so he was willing to let go of everything and everybody. See, another reason why people won't get there is because the doorway is for you to fee through you trying to carry everybody else through, cause you trying to be rescued 911 and you got to rescue you first. I am much more valuable to my family and to my community because he was willing to let them go through the door myself, teach myself, learn myself, condition myself and then come back and get them. I'm much more valuable to them now, but he had to go through a window time of the years of judgment. You living a hanging out with white people all the time. You going to these crazy countries we don't know what you. He had to be willing to allow my conviction to make me inconvenienced. See, we want to grow but we want to stay liked by everybody. He was willing to be my own rescue at the risk of your approval, but most of us aren't like that. Facebook is example. We want to be liked. Well, you woke up and I like myself today, so your like is extra. My job is to like me first. He was willing to say every day, Lisa, you like you, Lisa, are you proud of you when they saw you playing full out every day.